BJP Cabinet Minister Alexander Lalu Hek yesterday said that the craze which was witnessed in the Lok Sabha polls this time around was due to the VPP wave. Speaking to reporters, Hek said that as per reports which he had received, the Shillong parliamentary seat will witness a three-corner contest between the Congress, the VPP and the NPP, while there will be a straight contest between the NPP and the Congress in the Tura parliamentary seat. The outcome of this Lok Sabha election will be an interesting one, he added.
Di election tu hawan batai mo marba ikat kumujing sotu kena mga siyo ko bo na ni tag dan ga triangular contest ka NPP ga gawai ba ga BPP ga balai ka Congress tagri ga triangular contest.
The Voice of the People Party